Dinosaurs have captivated our imaginations for centuries. These extinct reptiles dominated the Earth for over 165 million years, but they vanished suddenly 66 million years ago. When an asteroid slammed into our planet, at least that's what we think we know. But did you know there are plenty of mysteries surrounding these prehistoric creatures that scientists are only just beginning to uncover? In this video, we'll be looking at some of the most amazing discoveries about dinosaurs that will make you question everything you thought you knew about them. From their strange mating rituals to their surprising intelligence, these secrets will take you back in time to reveal a world you never knew existed. So get ready to embark on a journey through the Cretaceous period and discover the untold story of the dinosaurs. Number 7. Dinosaur mummies. Dinosaur mummies might sound like something out of a horror movie, but they're actually incredibly valuable to scientists studying these ancient creatures. Unlike regular fossils, which are typically just rocks or bones left behind after millions of years, dinosaur mummies are preserved remains of dinosaurs that include soft tissue like skin, feathers, and even internal organs. This gives scientists an unprecedented glimpse into the lives of dinosaurs and can provide valuable insights into their behavior, physiology, and evolution. Dinosaur mummies are extremely rare, making up less than 1% of all fossil discoveries. However, in recent years, several have been found in places like Canada, China, and the United States, each providing unique information about dinosaurs that couldn't be learned from traditional fossils. One of the most famous dinosaur mummies is Scotty, a horned dinosaur that was discovered in 2009 in Canada. Scotty is one of the best preserved dinosaur mummies in the world and is taught scientists a great deal about the anatomy and physiology of these creatures. By studying Scotty and other dinosaur mummies, scientists hope to learn even more about dinosaurs and their place in the history of life on Earth. 6. Colorful dinosaurs. For many years, it was believed that dinosaurs were all shades of brown or green, blending in with their environment and living in boring colors. However, a recent discovery in 2010 revealed that this is not the case. In Guangzhou City, China, a group of paleontologists unearthed the skeleton of a dinosaur that was covered in vibrant feathers. The dinosaur, named Ankylosaurus, was a relative of the velociraptor and lived during the late Cretaceous period around 75 million years ago. What makes this dinosaur so special is that it had preserved color patterns on its feathers, revealing that it was a beautiful creature with iridescent blue and green feathers and a white underbelly. This discovery challenged the long-held belief that dinosaurs were dull-colored reptiles and provided the first direct evidence of color on a dinosaur. Since then, similar discoveries have revealed that many dinosaurs had feathers, and some were even brightly colored. It seems that the dinosaurs were anything but boring. 5. Dinosaur supersenses. Dinosaurs had senses that were much more acute than ours, allowing them to navigate their environment with ease and hunt down prey with precision. One of their most impressive senses was their sense of smell, which was so powerful that they could detect blood from miles away. This enabled dinosaurs like the Tyrannosaurus rex to sniff out injured animals and feast on their blood. Another supersense possessed by dinosaurs was their sense of hearing. Some dinosaurs, such as the Stegosaurus, had incredibly sensitive ears that allowed them to hear the footsteps of their prey or predators from far off. This gave them precious time to escape or prepare to defend themselves. Additionally, dinosaurs had excellent night vision, which made them nocturnal hunters, perfectly adapted to hunt in the darkness. Their eyes were much larger than ours and allowed them to see clearly in low-light conditions. Finally, dinosaurs had a highly developed sense of touch, thanks to a network of highly sensitive receptors in their skin. This allowed them to feel vibrations in the ground, sense changes in air currents, and detect the presence of nearby objects. Their sense of touch was so precise that they could use their hands and feet to manipulate objects with the same dexterity as humans. These super senses enable the dinosaurs to thrive in their environment and become the dominant species on Earth for over 165 million years. For ancient playgrounds, the discovery of ancient footprints in Ghost Ranch, New Mexico, has revealed that dinosaurs may have had their own version of a playground. The tracks show that young dinosaurs would jump and play in shallow water, engaging in behavior similar to those of modern crocodiles. The tracks were made by a group of 20 sauropods, a type of long-necked dinosaur that lived during the late Triassic period around 210 million years ago. What makes these tracks so interesting is that they show that sauropods were not just herbivores that spent their time eating plants, but also had playful and active behaviors. The tracks show that the dinosaurs were running, jumping, and splashing around in the water, indicating that they were enjoying themselves and having fun. This discovery suggests that dinosaurs may have had a more complex social behavior than previously thought, and that they engaged in activities for recreation rather than just survival. Further research on these tracks may provide even more insights into the behavior of dinosaurs and help us better understand these fascinating creatures. 3. Dinosaur intelligence. For a long time, dinosaurs were considered to be nothing more than brainless monsters. But recent discoveries have revealed that they were actually much smarter than we ever imagined. In fact, some dinosaurs had brains that were just as large as some modern birds, which are known for their intelligence. One of the most intelligent dinosaurs was the Ankylosaurus, a herbivore that lived in North America during the late Cretaceous period. This dinosaur had a brain that was up to 3 times larger than other dinosaurs of its size, and it was able to use its intelligence to outsmart predators and find food. Other dinosaurs, such as the Velociraptor, were also highly intelligent. They were active hunters who lived in groups and hunted together to take down their prey. They were also capable of complex social interactions and had excellent problem-solving skills. In fact, studies have shown that the Velociraptor had a brain that was just as complex as that of a modern wolf. It's clear that intelligence played a major role in the success of the dinosaurs, allowing them to adapt to a wide variety of environments and become the dominant species on Earth. 2. T-Rex, king of the dinosaurs. The Tyrannosaurus rex was the undisputed king of the dinosaurs, a ferocious carnivore that ruled the Earth during the late Cretaceous period. But did you know that this mighty beast was once thought to be a scavenger? That's right. When the first T-Rex fossils were discovered in the early 1900s, paleontologists believed that this dinosaur was too clumsy to be a hunter and must have spent its time scavenging for food instead. However, recent discoveries have revealed the truth about the T-Rex. A study published in 2020 used computer modeling to reconstruct the gait of the T-Rex and found that it was much more agile and faster than previously thought. This suggests that the T-Rex was indeed a hunter, not a scavenger. The T-Rex was able to hunt down and kill prey such as Triceratops and Edmontosaurus, which were some of the largest herbivores of their time. Its powerful jaws and sharp teeth were perfect for catching and tearing up prey, and its strong legs allowed it to chase it down. The T-Rex was truly the king of the dinosaurs, a majestic and terrifying creature that ruled the Earth with an iron fist, or should I say claw? No. 1. Dinosaur evolution. Dinosaurs first appeared on Earth during the Triassic period around 230 million years ago. They were initially small, lizard-like creatures that lived in what is now North America, Europe, and Africa. Over time, dinosaurs evolved and diversified, eventually becoming the dominant species on Earth. One of the key factors in their success was their ability to adapt to a wide range of environments. Dinosaurs were able to live in both hot and cold climates, as well as in mountainous and marine environments. This adaptability allowed them to exploit a variety of resources and thrive in different habitats. Another factor in the success of the dinosaurs was their size. Initially, dinosaurs were relatively small, but over time they grew larger, reaching incredible sizes. For example, the Argentinosaurus, one of the largest dinosaurs that ever lived, was around 115 feet long and weighed over 100 tons. These massive creatures were perfectly adapted for their environment and were able to thrive in the late Cretaceous period. However, the reign of the dinosaurs came to an end around 66 million years ago when an asteroid slammed into Earth, causing massive destruction and climate change. This event, known as the Cretaceous-Speleogene extinction event, wiped out not only the dinosaurs but also many other species on Earth. But a few small mammals survived, giving rise to the age of mammals that followed. Despite their extinction, the legacy of the dinosaurs lives on. Their fossils have been found all over the world and have revealed a wealth of information about their behavior, physiology, and evolution. We continue to learn new things about these fascinating creatures and their place in the history of life on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time to explore the secrets beneath the fossils. From dinosaur mummies to colorful feathers, We've uncovered some of the most amazing discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew about these prehistoric creatures. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos that bring the ancient world to life. And be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed learning about the fascinating world of dinosaurs. Till next time, keep exploring and stay curious.